like to the ear, to inside the ear. Then I step through, I twirl, and I do a cartwheel. Listen, wash your bum bum. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Amira, and we is back with another video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into today's video.
When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you, 'cause you know I want you, babe.
I decided to make this video because I seen these videos on YouTube, and I'm like, I can contribute to this because I have a whole regimen that really keeps me fresh all day. Like, especially now that summer is approaching, I think it's really important that we staying clean. So I got you, because I always got you. I mean, I really got your back. I always have your back. Like, when don't I have your back? I got this basket, right? And inside this basket, it's just about all the products that I use on a daily basis, from the time I shower in the morning to the time I shower at night, and like everything I use in between. So let me start with something that I did not see a lot of people talk about. First of all, first and foremost, you need to wash your sheets, okay? Not only do you need to wash your sheets for them not to stink, but you need to wash your sheets for your skin, correct? I recommend washing your sheets once a week. I think that is manageable. I wash my sheets once a week. I actually change my sheets and put new ones on every single week, because I feel like keeping the same sheets, like, I mean, even though you're getting in the bed, hopefully you're getting in your bed clean, I just really feel like over time that it should, no, you need to just change your sheets, okay? Start with that, changing your sheets, okay? The next thing that we about to talk about for real is washing your clothes, right? So you need to be washing your clothes, because you can do all of this stuff that I'm about to tell you, I'm about to show you in this basket. You can do all of this stuff. You can wash yourself as many times a day as you want. But I mean, you're putting dirty clothes on your body. Like, you're wasting time. You're wasting water. You're wasting resources. Because, like, you need to be putting clean clothes on a clean body. You can't be getting in the shower and you're clean, but then you put the dirty clothes on, because that's like a negative positive. And no matter how high that positive is, baby, it's always going to be negative. I'm trying to tell you. Let me just give y'all a little shower routine. And in this video, I'm not getting in the shower. That's doing too much. But let me just give y'all a little shower routine. So while you're in the shower, you need to be using a washcloth, which I don't have with me right now. I did not feel like getting it out the bathroom, but you need to have a washcloth and a towel for the shower, okay? Or I don't use loofahs, I use washcloths, okay? A washcloth, a wash towel, everyone will call it a washcloth. But while in the shower, I have specific things that I like. Let me sit my basket down. I have specific things that I like to use while I'm in the shower. While you're in the shower, you need soaps. I got you. Either a bar soap or like a pump liquid soap. Either or works. Now, the brands that I like been using for years, that my mom used for years, that her mom used for years, Dove, baby. Dove, baby. It's something about that Dove that just get me all clean, nice and happy. This Dove soap do something to you, baby. Seriously. Now, this flavor, this kind, don't eat it. This kind is Pink Rosa Beauty Bar. I use this kind. I use the cocoa butter kind. I use the white bar. I use all the Dove kinds. Like, when I go to the store, I get a pack of everything. Okay. Now, this specific one is the Dove Go Fresh Splash Nourishing Body Wash. I really like this. This was A1. Too, girl. Not only does it smell good, but it lathers good. And this is the nectarine and white ginger scent. This smell amazing. Like, oh my goodness, this really smells good. I'm gonna kind of give y'all a little like tutorial, a little visual, not really a visual, but kind of like a little instructional on how to wash in the shower. So when you get in the shower, you need to wet your body, wet your whole body, get your whole body wet, okay? okay? Once you've done that, you need to take either take your washcloth, or if you're using a loofah, use your loofah, and you need to get some soap on the rag. So you pump, you use the bar, whatever you do. After you have put that soap on your rag, it's time to wash. Lather that rag up. Like take the rag, the loofah, lather it on top of each other. Like get it nice and creamy. And then I start at the top. I start with my arms. Now when I say I like go in, I go in, okay? No dirt left behind. I like to scrub. Girl, get in between them creases, them underarms, everywhere. The elbow, the wrist, the hands. Girl, get everywhere. The neck, the back of the neck. Get in between your breasts, your underarms, your legs, your private area, your belly button, your behind. Listen, wash your bum bum. Wash your bum bum. And you know what else you need to wash? Your legs. Wash your legs and wash your feet. The back of the leg, all of it, the whole thing. Nothing is left out. And I do that twice. I wash my whole body twice. Now my specific routine is I start with like a bar, and I wash myself with a bar one time, and then I wash myself with a pump type of like a liquid soap one time. Okay, and then another thing that can help keep you clean is a sugar scrub. I don't use sugar scrubs all the time, but because my skin is kind of sensitive, so just keep that can be a little harsh on my skin. But a sugar scrub, you can buy one, you can make one. Literally, it is what it sounds like. You know how sugar gets rid of dead skin on your lips, on your face? You can do that all over your whole body. But I do recommend making sure that you wash the sugar off 100%. And you need to make sure that you wash up after you do your sugar scrub. Now, you're showered. Out the shower. First things first, dry your body off. Dry your body off. You don't need no sitting water nowhere. Dry every crease, every crevice, everywhere. Dry, okay? Dry, dry, dry. The next thing, let's get this basket. Let's get the basket. The next thing that's important is your lotion. So yes, you wash your body, and the soap that I use is very moisturizing, but I still need something to keep me moisturized throughout the rest of the day. Here is some whipped shea butter. This is homemade. You can see some hair pieces on it. I use this for my hair, for my body, for my face, for everything. So this is some homemade whipped like shea butter. This is some Palmer's cocoa butter. This right here in a little can. You can literally see that I'm down to the nitty gritty on this. I'm going to have to order me some because don't play. And this really comes handy in the wintertime. I'm telling you, I use this for the most part in the wintertime because, let me tell you, in the wintertime, my skin gets so dry. And then sometimes I use coconut oil because coconut oil really is a nice moisturizer. And then my favorite type of lotion is Jergens Original Scent. Moisturizes and softens. This is great. This is great. Oops. Well, you can go to your dollar store. You can go to anywhere and get any of these products. I'm telling you, it does not matter where you get them. Okay? Now, I know y'all are like, where the smell good at? Girl, chill. So, depending on like what I'm going for, where I'm going, what I'm doing, will depend on my scent. But I like this scent called Country Chic Chick from Bath and Body Works. You know, just a little lotion. I use this lotion after I apply one of my my butters or my oils. And then I just do all of this plain stuff first, and then I add the smell goods on top because I'm gonna just keep it honest with you. I'm keeping it a G honey with you. I'm gonna keep it a G with you, baby girl. This ain't really moisturizing. Okay, it don't really moisturize enough for me, and I feel like it don't really moisturize enough for you either. So then let's talk about perfumes. So I'm very generous with my perfume. Now all my perfumes that like match my lotions and stuff, they're downstairs because I had like a routine with school, put my lotion on, then I would go downstairs before I leave out the door. Like I would eat, you know, gather my things, and then before I leave out the door, I would grab the perfume that matched the lotion that I used previously that morning and do it, okay? So I apply perfume to specific areas, okay? I squirt it right here on my wrist, and I smack them things. I feel like it really activates the smell. Once I smack it, I rub it in, and I rub it up, and I rub it down, okay? And I take my perfume after I did my arms, and I like 3-4 times on my neck, and I take my wrist, and I like rub it in my neck, the back part of my neck, everywhere, and I rub it down my body, and then I never spray directly on my clothing. Why? Because I have had bad experiences with perfume leaving marks. So this is what I do. I like to the air, to inside the air. Then I step through, I twirl, and I do a cartwheel. It don't matter, baby. Just absorb it all. And twirl. And twirl. Get through it. Get in it. Get in it. Twist. Now, this is like really important. Let me tell you. Deodorant. You need some deodorant. Okay? Deodorant, I'm telling you. Lack of deodorant can really break your whole routine. I use the Dove powder, Invisible 24-hour deodorant. There are a variety of ones to use, but one thing that I do to keep like my pits always smelling fresh and on point is shaving. I feel like hair, it really absorbs. Hair absorbs, like it just absorbs, and it can really stink at the time. So I shave I shave like once or twice a week. My underarms, I like it. I don't like no hair on them. Okay. Now, for all my younger viewers, listen. If your mother said that you're not allowed to shave, don't shave. Don't get yourself in trouble trying to do something. Just figure out a way to keep that, like try to explain, or maybe just try to figure out a way to keep that scent in check. But listen, if you're not allowed to shave or you just don't, then there are other ways, okay? Showering more frequently, adding more deodorant. Those are all also options, but I shave. And I always just do 1, 2, 3 rolls of deodorant. So I go 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let me get, matter of fact, I got you. 1, 2, 3. And that's cool. 1, 2, 3. And that's cool. Now, let's talk about oral hygiene. I did not bring any of my oral hygiene products. But listen, you need to be brushing your teeth 2 to 3 times a day. Because listen, breath, sometimes your breath be smelling like shadoo-doo. Shadoo-doo boo-boo. That, no, seriously, y'all, sometimes breath can really stink. I mean, you eat all day, you drink stuff all day, like, I'm sure, but like keeping your breath on point is A1. And I don't just mean sticking some gum or a mint in your mouth just because you sense that your breath smells like chaboo-boo. I mean, do that, but you need to scrub them teeth. You need to brush your teeth. You need to brush your tongue. The area that holds the most odor in your mouth is your tongue. So you need to be brushing your tongue very, very well and all the time. Brushing up. Don't forget the areas. Like, I feel like even when people wash their hands, brush their teeth, they wash up, they don't do it properly. You need to brush the teeth themselves, the gums, the up part, like the roof of your mouth, the tongue of your mouth. You need to brush everything. Brush. And I brush twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day. Just to really sum it all up, basically, you need to wash every day. Washing your body every day. I'm sorry. In my world, there's no skipping washing up. Like, wash your body. I feel like right now, this is a perfect time to get in a nice little routine of skincare, body care, whatever, hygiene, because I feel like we all have all the time in the world on our hands, right now. So we're like, I really feel like, I really do. This is really important because, like, all jokes to the side, I really do want to help everyone be able to like develop a really good and effective hygiene routine. It's really, really important to keep up with your hygiene, okay? And I feel like maybe some people are not taught this stuff at home, but look, I'm here to tell you, okay? My video, I got you. But yes, that is it for today's video, you guys, and I hope that y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!